Hi, my name is Finn and you're watching another episode of Tech in 60 Seconds. Let's get started. Today I am reviewing the Shure MoveMic 2 and I'm really excited to talk about this. The Shure MoveMic 2 is a wireless lapel mic that comes with a charging case and two wireless lapel mics. As you can see, I am wearing one right now. What really impresses me about this product is the Shure Motive app. And with the Motive app, I had downloaded it, I had opened it up, and the MoveMics paired immediately. Very hassle-free, comes pre-calibrated to a recommended setting to avoid any of that confusion. You can also download the audio file, run it through your Premiere Pro, your Final Cut Pro, and it is awesome. It's definitely a tool that every content creator needs in their arsenal. If you would like to see us review any other products in our next Tech in 60 Seconds, please leave a comment down below, like, subscribe, and just share your thoughts.